What kind of name is love? What kind of name is love? What kind of name is love's got me waiting, holding me, anticipating a miracle. When asked who I am meeting, or who I'm waiting for, I said I'm looking for love to come running through the door. Aren't we all they told me? Or haven't you heard? I know it sounds absurd, 'cause she could be anyone, you know. She could be anyone, no show. She could be anyone, stop or go. What kind of name is love? What kind of name is love? What kind of name is love? Got me staring, I don't know what you'll be wearing. It's wonderful. She could be anyone around. She could be anyone in town. She could be anyone I found. What kind of name is love?